So I'm now going to show you an example transaction that we will record in a form. So for this, we're going to record a source of income. So the date for our transaction is the 1st of the 1st, 2020. Our source is job 1, the amount is 100 and deposited in bank account 3. Now we're going to fill this information out in the form without having to go into a spreadsheet. Now I'm going to show you how to fill this information out in the form. So this is what the form looks like. So you put your date up here, then you choose your source. In this case it's going to be job 1, then the amount is going to be 100, and then it's going to be deposited in bank account 3. So I select bank account 3. Now in your case you will have changed these sources to whatever you want it to be. So you might have, so when using these forms, I've just put in a prerequisite of up to 8 jobs, dividends and an interest. So these are all sources of income. So choose job 1. And then for possible place to be deposited, you have the possibility to put money in 4 different bank accounts and 2 different investment accounts. That's just for now. So the date is going to be the 1st of the 1st, 2020. And now we're going to submit this form, and I will show you what it looks like when it shows up on the sheet. That is submitted. You've now just submitted a response, so one occurrence of income. And if you want to do it again for another one, you just hit submit another response. As you can see, this is the result of that example that I showed you. We have job 1, amount 100, deposited, and now bank account 3. And as you can see, there's a date here, but there's also a timestamp for when this form was filled out. Now, just for example, here I'm going to show you that you can also do this on your phone. It's just I did not show it on my phone because, as you can see, it's a little banged up. So you just put in the date, and so you can slide through here with Google, so whatever date you want. So if I choose 1st of May 2019, my source is going to be job 3. I'm going to get amount 20, put that in, I'm going to go deposited, bank account 3, submit. That's that response done, and I can do it again. Now look, on my computer screen, you can see that was just entered there. So as you can see, job 3, amount, and bank account 3, and the date have all been recorded.